All right, hey everybody. We're looking at like terms and finding sums and differences of like terms. So here we've got four terms: negative 4y plus 3, 11y, take away 5. And we want to identify our like terms as we simplify this, as we find the sum of these two expressions. One expression here, one expression here. And so we want to label our like terms. This isn't like a math symbol. I'm just underlining my like terms. So I know my negative 4y and my 11y are like terms. They share the same variable. And then we have these constant terms, just 3 and a negative 5. So I'm putting 2 lines. This is just for visual, just to organize it so you don't lose stuff in your brain. So my 3 and my negative 5, I have double underlined, and then my y terms, I have the single underline. And so now I'm looking at that and I'm thinking negative 4y and 11y. So negative 4 and 11, it's 7y. And then you have 3 and a negative 5. So 3 take away 5 minus 2. All right, so that's your sum for that problem. Okay, let's look at one other. And this is when you are subtracting. So this one's a little bit more going on with this one. Okay, so we're going to do x plus 7, take away a negative 3x plus 3. Okay, so I'm going to add a note over here. When subtracting, an expression, add the opposite of each term in the expression that's being subtracted. When subtracting, add the opposite of each term in the expression. Hang on, we're going to look at this. Add the opposite of each term in the expression. Okay, so what we have is x plus 7 take away a negative 3x plus 3. And you guys remember, to take away a negative means to add. Now it's also here saying take away everything in this because there are parentheses. So take away a negative 3x and take away a positive 3. So we need to add the opposite. So here we definitely need to rewrite this. X plus 7, now rewrite it adding the opposite. So to take away a negative 3x means to add 3x. To take away a positive 3, where it's the opposite of addition, so we're saying take away 3. So take away 3. Okay, so now we've rewritten this. Now we go back to that other step. I've got an x, I've got 3 x's, I'm giving that a single underline. And then I've got a 7, putting 2 underlines under that, and a negative 3. Really important if you're using that, those types of symbols, you don't lose track of your positives and negatives. I know I've got a positive x and a positive 3x, that's 4x. And then I've got a positive 7 and a negative 3, so a positive 4. Okay, sums and differences of like terms.